Getting good, but as usual, right? I open my feet, but it's looking great, and it's because of this. Shit, it hurt. It really hurt. This was out, and I kicked it, and but yeah, it's looking good. But now I have blood everywhere. Damn it! But it's looking good. That's my members for today. A lot of foam everywhere. My hands. But look, looking awesome, looking really good, completely sealed. I will retouch. The other one is on the way. My feet completely messed up. That was a big hole, cut in half. But we are doing DIY in the Caribbean, tiny container shipping container home. It's nice. You should subscribe and see how we're gonna do all this wonder, this beauty. So subscribe. We're gonna have many videos teaching step by step how to do it here in the Caribbean. Have fun at the same time. So subscribe, click like, make sure that the little bell is ringing. My name is Andrew and I'm waiting for you. See you soon.